Government making all efforts for safe return of soldiers. Chandu Chavan assures Union Minister of State for Defence Subhash Bhamre. Women activists enter Sanctum Sanctorum of Haji Ali Dargah. And 2 soldiers from Maharashtra martyred in terrorist attack at Nagrota army camp in Jammu and Kashmir. Thank you. Good evening and welcome to Metro Scan from Mumbai. I am Mamta Bhatt. Let's see the news in detail. Union Minister of State for Defence Subhash Bhamre today said that the government is making all efforts for the safe return of 22-year-old soldier Chandu Chavan, who is in Pakistani's custody after accidentally crossing the LOC. On September 30th, after the surgical strikes, Chavan from the 37 Rashtriya Rifles had inadvertently crossed over to the other side of LOC, following which Pakistan had been informed by the DGMO, Director General of Military Operations, on the hotline. He has been in Pakistan's custody since then. Talking about the terrorist attack on an army camp at Nagrota near Jammu, he said, "We expect peace from our neighboring country, but our forces are alert and we are proud of them. We are ready for any kind of challenge, be it military or any other kind of aggressions." He was speaking in Pune, wherein he reviewed the passing out parade of 131st course of NDA on 29th November 2016. A group of about 100 women and social activists entered the Haji Ali Shrine today. Noor Jahan Niyaz of Bharatiya Muslim Mahila Andolan, along with other group of members, visited the Shrine. In 2011, the trustees of the Haji Ali Dargah had decided to deny women access to the sanctum. In August 2016, the High Court allowed women to enter into the sanctum of the Shrine and said that the Shrine Trust has no power to alter or modify the mode of manner of religious practices or any individual or any group. On October 24th, 2016, the Supreme Court ruled the women should be allowed to enter the Sanctum Sanctorum of the Shrine.
हमारे साथ है नूर जहां, जो अभी हाजी अली दरगाह में अंदर एंट्री लेकर आई हुई हैं। दूरदर्शन से बात करने के लिए धन्यवाद मैम। आप बताइए, आप कितने लोग थे जो अंदर गए थे और क्या आपने मज़ार को टच किया?
हम लोग 200-250 बहनें हैं पूरी भारतीय मुस्लिम महिला आंदोलन की, और हम लोग अंदर गए और जिस तरह से ट्रस्टीज ने अरेंजमेंट किया था वो बहुत अच्छा है। हम अंदर रूम तक, मज़ार तक गए और अपनी इबादत करके आए।
तो क्या मान सकते हैं हम, जो ट्रस्ट ने डिसीजन लिया था कि ना जेंट्स ना विमेन कोई भी टच नहीं करेगा मज़ार को, क्या आपने मज़ार टच की?
फिलहाल के लिए जो भी अरेंजमेंट हुआ है उनसे खुश है।
तो मज़ार टच नहीं हुई है?
हाँ, नहीं किए।
ठीक है, तो आगे आप जब कह रही हैं कि
आगे हम लोग, टीम हमारी पूरी तय करेगी कि हमको आगे क्या करना है।
ठीक है, तो ये थी नूर जहां, जिन्होंने बताया कि ट्रस्ट ने जो डिसीजन लिया था वो डिसीजन को, महिलाओं को वेलकम करते हुए हाजी अली दरगाह के अंदर में बहुत अच्छे से इंतजाम करके जो पूरा एंट्री था, दर्शन था, वो करवाया। कैमरा पर्सन संदेश के साथ श्यामा मिश्रा, डीडी न्यूज़, मुंबई।
With the spectacular victory of the BJP in the first phase of Maharashtra Municipal Council polls, the party workers were seen celebrating across the state. Speaking at a press conference organized in the city, BJP State President Rao Sahib Danve said that the results are a clear reflection of people's support to the work done by the party. He stated that opposition is worried of demonetization, but people have clearly backed the move. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis expressed his happiness and said this is the happiest moment for the party as people have shown their faith in them and supported them. He also said that this victory is dedicated to the common people. 2 soldiers from Maharashtra were martyred in terrorist attack at an army camp in Nagrota in Jammu and Kashmir today morning. Colonel Kunal Gosavi, belonging to the Solapur district, and soldier Sambhaji Kadam from the Nanded district of the state were martyred in the fatal attack. Maharashtra government today inducted the daughter of 2611 martyr constable Shashank Shinde into the sales tax department as assistant commissioner. State finance minister Sudhir Mungantiwar gave her the order of her appointment at the program held in Sayadri Guest House, which was attended by Principal Secretary to Finance Department V. Giriraj, Shashank Shinde's wife Mansi Shashank Shinde, his another daughter Aditi Shinde, and other officers and dignitaries. As per the government resolution dated January 28, 2009, there is a provision to include one family member of the police personnel martyred in the dreaded Mumbai terror attack of November 26, 2008 into government service in Group B or Group A. Accordingly, the daughter of Kirti Chakra awardee Shashank Shinde has been appointed in the Sales Tax Department in Group A service after she completed 21 years of age. To make its operations more effective, the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation has upgraded its state-of-art disaster control room by installing a video wall and connecting it through the network of 5,000 CCTV cameras, which are already operational for monitoring traffic and criminal activities across the megapolis. The upgraded disaster control room was inaugurated by Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis along with Shiv Sena Chief Uddhav Thackeray, Mayor Snehal Ambekar and others. Chief Minister, while inaugurating the ultra-modern disaster control room, said that the disaster control room system will be integrated with the existing CCTV network to assist citizens in case of emergencies. Well, that's all we had in this edition of Metro Scan from Mumbai. Thanks for watching. Namaskar. It's over to Delhi studios.